guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You guys are gonna notice I'm in a different outfit, but that's because I was editing this and realized I didn't even film an intro, which I feel like is actually okay for cleaning videos because everyone just kind of does like a voiceover, but I wanted to jump on and say hi. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys enjoy this clean with me. You guys always ask for full-on dedicated cleaning videos, so here we go, kind of taking you guys through like my little weekly clean with me, but with a Christmas spin, I guess. I feel like this is kind of the cleaning routine that I would do if we were having people over for the holidays. I'm so excited to say that today's video is in collaboration with Tru Earth, and I'll be talking about them a little bit later on in this video. But without further ado, let's just jump into the cleaning video. Alrighty guys, starting off this clean with me in the kitchen. I always start here. Do you guys have something that you guys start with every time when you clean? Because mine's the dishwasher because I hate it, so I do that first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher, and then we're gonna head upstairs to do some laundry. Alrighty guys, heading upstairs to do laundry. I'm so excited to say today's video is in partnership with Tru Earth. They are an eco-friendly, zero-waste, vegan laundry detergent that is also Canadian-based. You guys know small changes add up to make a big difference, and liquid detergent can be costly to the environment since it's a wasteful use of water and uses a lot of plastic. I absolutely love these eco strips so far. Tru Earth comes in compostable packaging, and my favorite feature is how little room it takes up. You guys can tell there. We live in a smaller townhouse, and I've been loving how easy they are to tuck away after, or honestly just leave out instead of a big hefty plastic jug. My favorite fact about them is that they're able to reduce transport emissions by 94% due to how compact they are compared to liquid detergent drugs. Laundry is something I never thought about in terms of being bad for the environment, but now that I know, I don't really think we could ever switch back from it. For a tiny strip, it is so mighty, and my clothes come out smelling just as fresh as liquid detergent, if not even more. We're going ahead and taking one strip for one load and putting it into the washing machine. If you guys have a washer like mine, you can plug it into your little detergent cup, and if you have a top load washer, you can just put it right into the laundry. And as someone with sensitive skin, and knowing that it's vegan and eco-friendly, I know that it won't bother my skin at all, which is so hard to find a laundry detergent that doesn't bother my skin. The switch is more than just being eco-friendly, but just being conscious of all the other household products that we have that we probably never thought twice about not being the best choice for the environment. I'm so excited to have been partnering with Tru Earth for today's video. They were super kind and left me a discount code for you guys to use, which I will put up on the screen if you're interested in shopping. And let's just, you know, air out some laundry and get back to the cleaning.
The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas.
Alrighty guys, now I am just cleaning off the stove. I feel like this is the part of the kitchen that gets the dirtiest, so I just go ahead and spray the all natural degreaser on, and I let that sit while I clean the rest of the kitchen. Putting away some dishes so that I can clean more dishes. I feel like literally all I do is clean dishes, so I'm just going to do that.
Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me.
And then I'm just starting to clean the counters off. I feel like the counters get so messy, and I end up doing this more than once a week, but I just like to clean all the counters, cupboards, everything off, especially in times like this. Working in a hospital, we're just trying to keep extra clean, and like I said, just like to clean the cupboards as well, because the spaghetti sauce flies really, really far. I definitely don't clean our windowsills as much as I should, but I really want to start doing that monthly at least, so I'm just going ahead and cleaning those. And something not a lot of people talk about is cleaning your coffee machines, but first thing, I like to fill up our Nespresso thing, so there's always a good variety of pods to pick from in the morning. But I try and clean our Nespresso and our Keurig at least once a week because they just get really dusty, and that like little underneath piece gets so grimy. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning everything up here and wiping down that stove now that the degreaser sat for a good 15 minutes. And here's an overview of the nice clean kitchen. I don't know about you guys, but a clean kitchen makes me so beyond happy. Gonna grab my coffee and go to the next room. I always like to have ambiance music on when I'm cleaning, especially in the living room. Alrighty guys, here is the living room and dining room. It gets so messy with me working from home. I feel like I just get really lazy during the day. Found some socks, a cute puppy, and I'm just gonna start by tidying up everything and putting everything away so that we can clean.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Cleaning off the dining room table, which is so important since we're gonna have family over to eat. So I'm just going ahead and wiping all that down. Once again, a common theme of this video is areas I don't clean enough, and I definitely don't clean like behind our TV and our console stand enough, so I'm just giving that a wipe down. Stella loves to come and see what I'm doing. Windows, they just get so dusty so easy. Now it's time to clean the back door. Stella loves to boop her nose on the back door, so I clean this literally like once a week. And I can guarantee as soon as I'm done cleaning it, she's gonna boop her nose on it and get it dirty. And then not super exciting, but I am just vacuuming the house. Our vacuum's from Amazon. It's literally amazing. I love it. I'll link it down below. This is the current situation of our bathroom. It just gets messy so easy with working from home. So I'm just cleaning and tidying up in here. Wipe everything down. I do clean the bathrooms once a week, not on like my normal cleaning day, so they were already pretty clean. I just like to give them an extra clean down. And then my office gets really messy. You guys can see there's like blankets everywhere, smoothie containers. It just needs a lot of tidying up. Although it looks pretty empty, it is. Then I'm just bringing up some packages and organizing all that. But that's pretty much it for today's cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more and what you guys want to see me clean, if there's anything I missed. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.